Okay, students, so now we are going to start exercise 4A from question number 7, compare. Obviously, all of you know what is the meaning of compare and how we will do compare. And with the help of this sign, less than, equals to, and greater than this sign, with the help of this sign, we will show which integer is greater, less than, yeah, lesser, yeah, we can say equals. Understood? So let's see one by one. If you observe in first question, these both integers are in positive integers. These both integers are positive integers. So obviously we will check 8 is greater or 13 is greater. Obviously we can say 13 is greater than 8. That's why we will write down this sign. Okay, जिस जो नंबर आपका ग्रेटर होगा उसका सामने आपका ये वाला साइन होना चाहिए है ना, दिस वन साइन. Suppose 15 and here 7 is there. So obviously we know 15 is greater than 7. That's why we can say we will show like this only. Understood? Very easy question. Now next question. Here second part, minus 17 and minus 7. Again similar way we can say these both numbers are negative integers. And we know in case of negative integers जो आपका नंबर ग्रेटर होता है वही आपका स्मॉलर नंबर होता है ना. That's why we can say minus 17 is the smaller one than minus 7. That's why we'll show like this again. Okay, minus 7 is the greater number and minus 17 is the smaller number. If I make the number line also, suppose this is 0. This is 0. Then we can say minus 1, minus 2, like this we will show minus 7. And when you go in left hand side na, then this all the numbers will be smaller only, है ना, smaller ही होते जाएगा. Minus 8, then we will write down like this minus का 17. So when we will move left hand side, the number will be in decreasing order or increasing order? Obviously in decreasing order. Now third part, that is minus 23 and minus 32. Again we can say these both numbers are negative. That's why we can say minus 32 is the number that is smaller than minus 23. That's why we can say minus 23 is the bigger than minus ka 32. Understood? Very easy question. Now next one. 0 is greater, yeah, minus 48 is greater. Anyone know? 0 is greater या minus 48 is greater? Tell me anyone. Write down. Yes, very good. 0 is greater. Because obviously we know जो भी आपका negative integers होते हैं ना वो obviously smaller होता है किससे? 0 से. That's why we can say 0 is the bigger number than minus का 48. Understood all of you? Very easy. No issue? Okay. Now I will take another part in this question only. So this is fifth part, minus ka 15 and here 15 is there. Now let's see which is greater, minus 15 या 15. Obviously we can say 15 is greater because 15 is a positive integer. And we know always positive integer is greater than negative integer. That's why the answer will be 15. 15 is the greater integer than minus 15. That is the complete answer. Now students, tell me all of you understood? Question number 7, yes or no, thumbs up one time. Very easy question. Really these questions are very easy. And all of you on your camera also. All of you. Very good. Now we'll move next question. Let's see. Now in this question, question number 8, all of you see here, in question number 8, this is given in your book. Arrange the following set of integers in according to the ascending order. In front of you some set of integer is given. We have to write down according to the ascending order. Okay, what is the meaning of ascending order first of all? Ascending order means we can say smaller to bigger. Suppose if I write down 0, 1, minus 2. So first of all we will write down what is the smallest digit out of these three numbers. We can say minus 2, then 0, then 1. So this is known as ascending order. This is known as ascending order. And if I say descending order, then bigger to smaller, very simple. So we will solve like this only, very simple question. Let's see first question number 8, first part. Minus 3, 0, -7, 5 and 2. This is your question. Now students, how I solve the question? Properly see. आप लोगों का कंसंट्रेशन और कहीं नहीं होना चाहिए, घर पे बैठे हो ऑब्वियसली, बट योर कंसंट्रेशन, योर माइंड शुड बी हियर, बिकॉज मैं भी आपको वॉच कर रहा हूं, है ना? यू आर स्टडिंग और नॉट. सी प्रॉपरली. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर? ऑब्वियसली माइनस वाले होंगे, बट विच वन? -3 या -7? ऑब्वियसली -7 is the smallest number. Write down all of you. According to this line is very important, है ना? According to ascending order, first of all write down -7, then -3, then 0, then 2, then 5. We can say, if you observe, smaller to bigger is there. Okay, this all the numbers are in increasing order. That's why this is known as ascending order. Very, very simple. Now we'll move next question. Question number 2. 6, 9, -4, -5, 0, 10. This is your question. Now let's see how we will solve the question. Very, very simple again. First of all, write down again this statement similar way. According to ascending order, first of all write down -5. Yes, -5 is the smallest negative integer. Now minus ka 4. Now anyone know? Yes, 0. Now 6. Increase हो रहा है धीरे धीरे, देखो 6. We can say after that 9. Then bigger number is 10. So the answer will be this one only. Okay, very easy. Yes students, very, very easy. Obviously, actually पता है आप लोगों को ascending order and descending order we are study from class 6, 5th. But why given in class 6? Anyone know? Because here integer, negative integers are there. आप लोगों का मिस्टेक कहाँ पे होता है? In this case, -5, -4. But we know all the things. I explained already, है ना? तो इसमें आप मिस्टेक आने का कोई चांस ही नहीं बनता, है ना? So let's see next question. Next question देखो, question number 8, 2 part completed, it is enough. And whatever remaining part, just all of you circle remaining part को circle कर दो and have to solve yourself. Okay? Now next question, let's see question number 9. Okay. Now next question, question number 9, that is given, arrange the following set of integers in descending order. That means bigger to smaller. Okay, very simple. Just wait. Okay, now we have to write down all the numbers according to the descending order. Let's see how we will solve the question. So first question I will take. So write down -2, minus ka 10, after that 15, minus ka 13, 0 and 8. This is your question. Okay. Now tell me, what is the greatest number? Out of this all the integers, what is the greatest integer? Anyone know? Yes. What is the greatest integer? Yes, very good. 15 is the greatest integer, obviously. 15 is the greatest integer. Hanshika, sir, explain once again. No issue, Hanshika, just listen carefully here. Actually, this all the question na, ascending order or descending order, same question is there. So अगर आपको ascending order समझ में आ गया या descending order समझ में आ गया, so you can just do all the question properly. So see here, try to understand. Out of this all the numbers, what is the biggest number? Obviously we know 15. Next, उससे छोटा सा number कौन सा होगा? Then we can say 8. Okay. Then next one, then we can say 13. No, 0. Yes, 0. Then after that we can say minus ka 2, then minus ka 10, not 13, and at last minus 13. Now all of you observe properly. 15 is the biggest number out of this all the numbers. Next 8, next 0, next minus 2, next minus 10, and minus 13 is the smallest number. Okay, but here write down properly according to the descending order. Say descending order. Okay, done. All of you understood? Easy question. According, this is a short form of according, na? This is a short form of according. A like this. But you have to write down in your notebook properly according, hai na? ACCORDING. Okay. So this is your according to the descending order. We can write down like this only. Now we'll move next question. Let's see. Second part. So second part that is given 0, minus 26, 42, minus 50, 64, 4 and minus 3. Okay. Again just try to understand, very simple question. Very, very simple question. Okay, just wait. Now students, this question, see here, according to the descending order, according to the descending order, we can write down first of all biggest number. What is the biggest number? That is 64. Write down first of all 64. Then we can say which one? 42. Yes, write down 42. Next one we can say 4 only. Write down 4. Positive number. First of all, you have to find out positive numbers. Hai na? After that 0. Okay. Next, negative numbers. So what is the biggest negative numbers? Minus 26, no. Minus 50, no. Minus 3, yes. Next one, minus ka 26. And at last, minus ka 50. That is your complete answer. Okay? That is your complete answer. Again, I am telling you students, those students are taking class from starting onwards. तो उनका तो 100% बिल्कुल कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आने वाला. Those students taking class started from today onwards या yesterday onwards. So obviously आपका थोड़ा बहुत इशू आने वाला है. But आपको कैसे रिकवर करना है? You have to watch my previous video explanation. Okay? And if any doubt is there, so you can ask personally also, but not always in school timing. Okay, and whenever I will free, I will give you a response. Understood? Okay. Now see here next question. Now next question students, actually question number 9, it is enough. And a two part done, and remaining 2 parts you have to solve yourself. Okay? Obviously आपका notes already available है, तो वहाँ से भी आप देख सकते हो answers. Okay? Now next question, question number 10. Okay, good question. This is also good question. Question number 10. Write any 5 integers less than minus 12. Try to understand, very easy question. In your question says write 5 integers less than minus 12. Yes, my intelligent guys, boys and girls, tell me any 5 integers less than minus 12. Write down. Let's see. कौन कौन आंसर यहाँ पे देते हैं? I think you are so much active. I am writing also. Write down 5 integers less than minus 12. So students, obviously less than says, so we can't write down minus ka 11, minus ka 10, minus 9, we can't write down. If you write minus 10, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, this is a bigger. But in this question says less than. है ना? So we can write down minus ka 13, minus ka 14, minus 15, minus 16 and minus 17. That is the correct answer. बात समझो, जैसे actually ये negative numbers है ना. नेगेटिव नंबर्स जब आपका बिगर नंबर होता है ना, वो उतना छोटे होते जा रहे हैं. -12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, ये छोटे नंबर है, बिगर नंबर नहीं है. अगर मैं बात करूं सिंपल इंटीजर, पॉजिटिव इंटीजर, देन यू कैन से सर 12, 13, 14, 15 ये बिगर है, लेस देन नहीं है ना. So try to understand the concept, very easy concept. Now we'll move next part, second part. Second part, 8 integers. 8 integers just greater than -6. Now students, in this question says 8 integers just greater than -6. -6 से just बड़ा होना चाहिए, है ना. So tell me any 5 integers fast. Tell me any 5 integers. Okay, so we can say -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, enough. Sorry, 8 integers है ना. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that is your correct answer. This is the greater number. Here not say 5, here say 8 numbers have to write down. So write down -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. This is your enough. Okay, no issue. Okay, now next question, question number 11. Okay, actually in question number 11 we have to solve absolute value. And if you remember, I given to one example also, this sign, remember, mod. In this machine if I put any value, then answer always come in positive, है ना. That is only absolute value we can say. So we can say students, absolute value, first question, first part, what is the absolute value of 5? So how we will write down the answer like this. See here, mod 5 is equals to this much only. Very, very simple. Now next question. What is the absolute value of -7? What is the absolute value of -7? Again write down here, like -7 mod is equals to 7. Because as I told you before also, if in this mod, if I take any value which I positive or negative, answer always come in positive only. Okay, answer always come in positive. That is known as absolute value. Okay, understood? Where is the question now? Okay, now next question. -64. So what is the absolute value of -64? Very easy question. 64 only. And 64, the absolute value of -64 is equals to 64 only. Now we'll move next question. Now next question, that is your question number 4. Question number 4, that is 0. Now tell me students, what is the absolute value of 0? What is the absolute value of 0? Who tell me fast? Yes, very good. The absolute value of 0 is equals to 0. The absolute value of 0 is equals to 0. Okay, now next question. Now next question, that is, we are done in this question number 11, all the questions. Okay, so -7100 means what is the absolute value of -7100? Very simple. Yes, 7100. So I hope all of you understood these questions 100%. Yes or no? Understood na? Yes, Anshika, Anu, Yaswant, Mansi, Garima, Akshika, Aman. Sir, not understand. Divya. Divya, this is a very, very easy question. Divya, see. Try to understand, Divya. Actually, absolute value means nothing. Absolute value means nothing, means कुछ तो value है. See, very easy thing. Suppose this is the mod. This is the sign of absolute value. दिस इज द साइन ऑफ एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू। और इसका नेम क्या है साइन का? मॉड्यूल या मॉड। नाउ इन दिस मॉड if I take any value positive या negative, suppose if I write down +5, then answer also given in plus form. Suppose in this -5 if I write down, then also I will write down +5. That means if you take any value, the answer always given positive only. Understood? Okay. Now we'll move next question. Question number 12. Okay. Now in question number 12 says name two integers. Name two integers that have the give numbers as their absolute value. Very important question. Very, very important. Try to understand the concept now. Try to understand the concept. What is this? Ayan. Hi sir. Now I'll remove from this live class. मैं चैट में इसलिए नहीं आपको अलाउ किया इस तरीके से मैसेज करो. Just all you have to concentrate here only. Okay. See. Now in this question says, question को पढ़ो एक बार. In this question says name two integers whose absolute value is given. Suppose if I say 5 is the number, है ना? 5 is the absolute value. अब 5 कौन सा दो नंबर का absolute value हो सकता है? We can say -5. If I take -5, then the absolute value of -5 is equals to how many? 5 also. And if I say 5, the absolute value of 5 is equals to that is also 5. मतलब क्या है? आपका absolute value दे रखा है. In this question, absolute value दे रखा है. But you have to find out which two integer, कौन सा ऐसा दो integer है जिसका absolute value 5 है. So we can say -5 and +5. Always remember, आपका अगर ये वाला क्वेश्चन दे देना तो एक नंबर तो माइनस में ले लेना and another number in plus. So obviously if I say next question, चलो मैं क्वेश्चन ले लेता हूँ so you can understand better, है ना? First question is given, this is 19. So in this question says which two integers whose absolute value is 19. So we will write down -19 and another is +19. Like this way I have to take these two numbers in each and every question. Okay. Another question. Suppose if I say second question 58. Okay. So 58 is the number whose absolute value is 58. We can say -58 and plus ka 58. Then very, very easy. Let's try to understand. One take in minus and another take in plus. ठीक है? Because इसके absolute value अगर find करोगे तो ये आ जाएगा obviously. And ये तो obviously positive में ही है ना? Next question. Let's see. 70. So whose absolute value is 70? First is -70 and another is +70. Done. Now tell me students, understood yes or no? Very easy. Yes, Gargi, very good. Akshika, very good. Akshita. This question you have to solve like this only. Okay, 1 plus 1 minus, 1 plus 1 minus, that much. Okay, now we have to solve another question. Last question, है ना? और एक question कर लेते हैं. Okay, question number 13. Now in question number 13, compare using less than, greater than or equals to. Again same concept, compare. Last question students, last question, so all of you be concentrate. So we can say first question that is mod 3 and another is mod -3. Okay, mod 3 and mod -3. Just try to understand, very simple question. First of all, tell me students, simple thing, what is the absolute value of plus ka 3? Obviously 3 only. What is the absolute value of -3? That is also -3. Sorry, what is the absolute value of -3? That is also 3. दोनों ही आंसर सेम हो गया. That means we can say the answer will be equals. Understood? First of all, I have to find out this one and just check which is greater. Obviously, ये दोनों same है. That means we can say equal sign give. Very easy question. Very easy question. Now we'll move next question. Let's see. Next question. -8 and another is minus mod 8. It is very important question. It is very important question. How I solve the question? See. First of all, what is the value of -8? What is the value of mod -8? So we can see 8 only. सबको पता है ना? What is the value of mod -8? That is -8. Now ये जो माइनस है ना, ये माइनस आपको देना ही पड़ेगा. And what is the value of mod 8? Simple mod 8. That is 8. ये देखो ये माइनस बाहर है, इसको आप इंक्लूड नहीं कर सकते. So now tell me students, which is greater value? 8 या -8? Which is greater? 8 या -8? Obviously we can say 8. Sir बोलोगे आप सर 8 है. So that means we can say this is greater than this one. This is very important question. अगर ये माइनस अंदर होता, so we can write down 8. But this minus is outside of the mod. So we will write down here only. Understood? Very easy now? Okay, now last question for today we can say. Now next question, that is minus 9 and here minus 9 again. But here one thing, if you observe properly, students, here this is minus mod 9 and this is bracket. So both are different. So we can say first of all minus, write down here. And what is the value of mod -9? That is 9 only. Okay, what is the value of mod -9? That is 9 only. So the answer will be here -9. And here what is the answer? Let's see. Minus plus 9. Now tell me students, what is greater value? This one? Yeah, this one. Last question. -9? Yeah, plus 9. Obviously plus 9. So obviously we can say the sign will be this side. The sign will be this side. This is enough for today. I think all of you understood each and every question. Yes or no? Very good. Yes. So just wait.